And now to my exclusive conversation. National Civil Rights Attorney Ben Crump is talking only to ABC 10 about newly released body camera video of the night Sacramento native Tyre Nichols was beaten by Memphis police.
And thank God for technology and video camera because we heard them actually conspiring to try to cover up the death of Tyre Nichols.
He started fighting with us and took off, and he got pepper sprayed and took off running. They did catch him. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Not Tyre.
This interaction between Tyre Nichols' mother, Rovon Wells, and former Memphis police officer Preston Hemphill is just some of the newly released video from the night of her son's death after a traffic stop by Memphis police. MPD said Nichols was initially pulled over for reckless driving. But here's what new body cam video shows.
What was the original stop for? PC, then evading the...
Well, you can't do evading in a vehicle, because then that means it was pursuit.
Former officer Demetrius Haley had a different answer.
Yeah, he was drove into oncoming traffic. So we tried to, I'm talking about, he literally, yes, all into traffic. I'm talking, so we tried to get him stopped.
This is one of the calls into dispatch from officers pursuing Nichols.
Okay, you have any charges on him?
There's no answer on charges. Attorney Crump, you've reviewed the video. Tell us where things stand now in the case.
Well, right now we have filed a $550 million lawsuit against the city of Memphis for the constitutional violations, the human rights violations, and the killing of an innocent young man who weighed no more than 160 pounds.
Memphis Mayor Paul Young said in a statement, obviously this is painful for all of us. The release of this material will be an important step in the continued healing of our community. As this is an ongoing legal matter, there is nothing else we can add at this time. But we do hope this release shows that we are committed to continued transparency.
The public has an interest in having complete transparency. And I think that's important, Chris, because we don't want this to happen again. We don't want anybody else's child to be brutally killed by the very people who swore to protect and serve them.
Attorney Crump tells me based on the new video, they're also considering amending their lawsuit. Meanwhile, since Nichols' death, the new mayor of Memphis has promised changes to the way the city conducts traffic stops, including getting rid of unmarked cars and no longer doing traffic stops for low-level crimes and violations.